Good morning, guys. It is already 7 o'clock. Yeah, I haven't opened the window yet. Or just like that much. Yeah, because the brightness will be blinding. I'm preparing my breakfast. It is going to be this corned beef, Argentina corned beef that is coming from Roy and Cassie. Just reheating. So this is my breakfast. And yeah, it is already 1 o'clock. I actually went back to bed. Come back here in the computer. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. And now I'm preparing my lunch. And I still have this corned beef. But I'm going to fry an egg also. So yeah, this is my lunch. Yo! Yeah, it is now 6:13. Outside this is still bright. Yeah. And I'm hungry again. I'm going to cook this rice. Actually, I have regular rice. But I want to make a porridge. No. Arroz caldo. I'm going to use this frozen rice. I have water here already. And I have this chicken cubes. This half, because I used the other half previously. Going to put some of this ginger. Yeah, salt. I have this frozen chicken. Yeah, but this is too frozen, very frozen. So I'm going to put this instead. This siomai. Yeah, all of it. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, already 15 minutes to 4 o'clock. Oh, yesterday, this one is almost, yeah, very sad yesterday. So, yeah, I put some water. But the water is gone already. But it's alive again. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my meal. I am reheating the rice now. And this is what I am going to eat. This sardines and tomato sauce. Yeah, just going to reheat it. I actually have eggplant here, the long one. This long eggplant is very common in the Philippines. Not the big one. Yeah, the big one is very common here in Australia. This is coming from Roy and Cassie. Even this Ligo, sardines, also coming from Roy and Cassie. And Yeah, a lot of food that they gave me. I actually still have this. This is the Bicol Express, but I will eat it then next time. And I'm still cravings for bread. You know, the breads from Christine and Rick. I am tempted to order again, but something different, maybe pandesal. I worked today from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. But I went to Kmart and I bought this another curtain. 3 pieces of sardines. Yeah, when I was in the room, I can hear it exploding. Look at that, now very hot. Very hot. Whoa, inside is total disaster. Good thing it's still closed. When I was in Salamander Bay, yeah, I was very tempted to buy in the food court. But I said, oh no, I have food in the house. Okay, this is my lunch. So this is the curtain. I'm going to cut it, stitch it, and then I'll put it in the bun. So that is how it is at the moment. And I'm going to put another one. Actually, I won't be able to make it. I will continue it tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are here in Salamander Bay in McDonald's. I ordered one $7 meal and caramel shake, salted caramel shake. There is one camper bun in here and lot of cars. Good afternoon. I have LL26. Sorry? LL26. Yeah.
That's all good. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Could you open the parking bay for your frappe, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
I ordered water and they give me a water in this. I was expecting a bottled water. This is part of the combo meal. And we are now here in the Banyal Beach Park. Yeah, this is along the way. When I'm riding my bike, this is the usual way. You see this kids children's playground, and this is the side where the the bird attacked me before. Yeah, in these trees. So I ordered this. I don't know, I was already, yeah, I get out of the workplace, and then on the corner I suddenly go to the direction of the salamander of the McDonald's. Yeah, that's why I'm having this. Suddenly I decided to turn that way. Between this and ice cream, salted caramel ice cream, I prepared the salted caramel ice cream, but it's good to have this sometimes. And you know, this is just a promotion. Chicken sandwich, 6 pieces of nuggets, and french fries, and soft drinks, but I choose water, and just $7. And because there are many cars parked over here, for sure there are many people outside at the beach, for sure. I'm very sure. Oh, look at that, there is a dog. Looks like it's coming. Hello. Yeah, the dog just licked me. Okay, that's it. I was just sitting there for almost 1 hour. You know this White House, before it was the same, just like on the other side, but yeah, they split it. They renovate the other one, make it looks like Greece. I mean, like the house is in Greece. This is how it looks now. Yeah, nice. Oh, before we go, I'm going to show you how many people are there in the beach. I'm leaving yesterday behind, and finally I made up my mind. Yeah, beautiful, right? There's a group of people there. Yeah, they are maybe family. Very nice. There's one guy over there. He's kind of snorkeling. Another group here, and there are more people on the far side. There are many of these. Oh, I don't want to get wet. Yeah, you notice the sand here is white. I mean gray white, compared to the sand in Newcastle. They have brown white, so it's more beautiful here, the sand.